Hello, everybody. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, you will learn how to introduce yourself in English. We use the present simple tense to introduce ourselves and talk about general information. Here is an example. Hello. My name is Daniel. I am 18 years old. I am from Canada. I live in Toronto with my family. I am a student. I like learning English because I want to speak English confidently. In my free time, I enjoy reading books, listening to music, and playing football. I also like watching educational videos and learning new things every day. My favorite food is pizza, and my favorite color is blue. I am a friendly, honest, and hardworking person. My dream is to travel around the world and meet new people. I believe that learning English will help me achieve my goals. Thank you for listening to my introduction. Now, it's your turn. Please introduce yourself in English. Write your introduction in the comments and practice speaking every day. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.